Friends, I am back with my series of All India install capacity. This time I am going to talk about the February 2025. I have collected all this data from the public domain of site of CA. The very important part to talk about the total install capacity is this time we have achieved 100 gigawatts from solar itself, 102 gigawatt. If you look at the total installed capacity is 470 gigawatt, the contribution of thermal is 52.63%, the contribution of nuclear is 1.74%, hydro gives contribution of around 10%, and RES renewable energy resources have contribution of 35.65. If you talk about percentage contribution of all renewable energy resources, small hydro contribution is 3.04 within the renewable energy resources itself. Wind gives 28.97, biopower 6.83, and contribution of solar within renewable energy resources is 61.16. If you talk about the renewable energy resources with respect to total installed capacity, the small hydro gives contribution of 1.08, wind power 10%, biopower 2.5%, and 22% approximately by solar itself. This table has already given data of all five regions in India: northern, western, southern, eastern, northeastern region, islands, and various mode wise breakup is given. When we say thermal, coal is there, lignite is there, gas is there, diesel is there. Apart from that, nuclear gives their contribution, hydro is there. All these data relates to February 2025. We are moving at a good speed to fulfill the dreams of Honorable PM Saab to achieve 500 gigawatts by renewable energy by 2030. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.